this is Lisa's Home Creations. Today I would like to show you how I make a chicken stuffing casserole. Start with 2 pieces of chicken breast, slice them into strips, and then we're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Turn it sideways and just cut into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to do that with the other one as well. Cut it into strips and then bite-sized slices. Put it into our bowl. Oops. And do the same thing with the second one. Cut it into strips. And then into bite-sized slices. Here, excuse me while I wash my hands. Also, you're going to need to set your oven to 350 degrees. And take the bowl, add some pepper, some salt, 1/2 cup of sour cream, okay, and then we're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. Give it a good stir. Make sure you incorporate all of that into the chicken. And once you've done that, you're going to reach for your casserole dish. Put all of it in your casserole dish. Spread it evenly in the dish. And then place that aside. And get your stuffing. And then all you need is 2 cups of hot water. Pour the 2 cups of hot water into the stuffing. Stir. Keep stirring until it gets a little thick. And then you're going to put the stuffing over the chicken casserole. Get a spoon and put the chicken on top of the casserole. The stuffing on top of the casserole. And then we're going to place it in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. I'll be back when that's all done. Okay, I'm back. The casserole is out of the oven cooling, and I'm going to pair with my casserole some broccoli, and some cranberry sauce. I've pre-washed my broccoli and I've cut the ends off, and all I'm going to do is put it in a microwave safe bowl, add a little bit of water, and cover it with some plastic. Poke a few holes in it. And I like mine a little bit on the crispy side. So I'm going to cook it for about 3.5 minutes. And if you like it a little bit more firmer, I would probably do it for 3 minutes. I'll be back when that's done. Okay, it's ready to plate up. We have some chicken stuffing casserole. And we have some broccoli. And some cranberry sauce. There you have it, guys. A real nice, comfortable fall meal. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you join me every Sunday at 9 a.m. for a new video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.